My name is Alex. I am 25 years old. I have white skin and dark hair. Every day I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. When I open my eyes, I feel a little tired, but also calm. I like the morning because everything is quiet. I get out of bed slowly. I stretch my arms and legs. I look out the window and see the sun. The light makes me feel happy and ready for the day. I say to myself, today will be a good day. This helps me feel positive and relaxed. After I wake up, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. The cold water helps me feel awake. Then I take a shower. The warm water feels good on my body. I think about my plans for the day. Sometimes I feel a little nervous, but that is okay. I breathe slowly and relax. The shower helps me feel clean and fresh. When I finish, I feel better and more confident. After the shower, I go to the kitchen. I make a simple breakfast. I usually eat toast and eggs. I drink a cup of coffee. I sit at the table and eat slowly. I like to enjoy my food. While I eat, I look at my phone or think about my day. Breakfast makes me feel comfortable and full of energy. It is a small moment, but it is important for me. After breakfast, I get dressed. I choose simple clothes. I like to feel comfortable. I look in the mirror and fix my hair. I smile at myself. This helps me feel confident. Sometimes I feel shy, but I remind myself that I am doing my best. That thought makes me feel stronger. Then I leave my house. I walk outside and feel the fresh air. I see people walking, cars moving, and birds flying. I like walking because it helps me think. I feel calm and free. The world feels alive around me. I enjoy these moments before work. They make me feel balanced. I go to work and start my tasks. I focus on what I need to do. Sometimes work is easy, sometimes it is hard. When I feel stressed, I take a deep breath. I tell myself, it's okay. I like to finish my work and feel proud. Doing my job well makes me feel useful. At lunchtime, I take a break. I eat with coworkers or alone. I enjoy the quiet time. I feel relaxed and thankful for the food. Lunch helps me recharge. I sometimes think about my dreams and goals. These thoughts make me feel hopeful. After work, I go home or meet friends. Sometimes I read a book. Sometimes I listen to music. These activities make me happy. They help me forget stress. I feel calm and satisfied. This is my time. In the evening, I think about my day. I think about good moments and hard moments. I feel thankful for small things. I tell myself that tomorrow is another chance. This helps me feel peaceful. At night, I get ready for bed. I turn off the lights and lie down. I feel tired but happy. I close my eyes and relax. I think I did my best today. Then I fall asleep.
My name is Emma. I am 22 years old. I have white skin and blonde hair. I wake up every day at 6:30 in the morning. When I open my eyes, I feel a little sleepy, but I also feel excited. I like my job, so I feel motivated. I take a deep breath and smile. A new day starts. I sit on my bed and stretch my arms. My body feels slow but relaxed. I think about my day. I feel calm and positive. Some days are busy, but I am ready. I tell myself, you can do it. This makes me feel strong. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. The water is cold, but refreshing. It helps me wake up. I look at myself in the mirror. I feel confident and happy. Then, I take a warm shower. The water feels very nice. I think about my clients at the salon. I like helping people feel beautiful. This thought makes me happy and proud. After the shower, I dry my hair. I brush it slowly. I put on light makeup. I like a natural look. This routine makes me feel ready and confident. I enjoy this moment. I go to the kitchen and make breakfast. I eat yogurt and fruit. I drink tea. I eat slowly and relax. Breakfast gives me energy. I feel thankful for this quiet time. After breakfast, I leave my home. I walk to work or take the bus. I see people on the street. The city feels alive. I feel excited to start my day at the salon. I arrive at the beauty salon. I put on my work clothes. The salon smells nice. It feels clean and warm. I feel comfortable here. This is my place. I start working with clients. I cut hair, style hair, and help people relax. I listen to them and smile. Many clients feel happy after their service. This makes me feel proud and useful. I love my job. At lunchtime, I take a break. I eat with my coworkers. We talk and laugh. I feel relaxed and happy. This break gives me energy for the afternoon. In the afternoon, I continue working. Sometimes I feel tired. When this happens, I breathe slowly. I stay calm and focused. I want every client to feel special. At the end of the day, I clean my space. I say goodbye to my coworkers. I feel tired but satisfied. I did a good job today. At home, I change my clothes. I relax and listen to music. Sometimes I watch a show. Sometimes I read. This time makes me feel calm and happy. At night, I think about my day. I remember happy moments. I feel thankful. I smile and go to bed. I close my eyes and sleep. Tomorrow is a new day.